Got people coming over for a barbecue, or you just want to level up your chicken game, I've got you covered. These 3 easy marinades, game changer, crowd pleaser, they'll be coming back for more. Watch this. Okay, so we've got 3 really simple marinades. Coat your chicken, stick them in the fridge for at least 2 hours. I'm going to do mine now. I've got barbecue tomorrow, so they're going to marinate overnight. First one, peri peri chicken. Second one, sweet chili chicken. And the third is honey garlic barbecue. Delicious. Here's the ingredients. Okay, so for your peri peri, you've got oil, lemon, paprika, chili, garlic, and sea salt. For your sweet chili, we've got oil, sweet chili, soy sauce, ketchup, and garlic. Then finally, for your honey garlic barbecue, you've got your honey, soy sauce, pepper, garlic, and oil. Okay, dead simple. Each of the marinades, you just whack all the ingredients into bowls. Give them a stir. The first one here, we've got the honey garlic barbecue. As you can see that, just give that a stir, mix all the ingredients together nicely. Next up, we've got your sweet chili. Again, you're just getting a fork, running that fork through, combining all the elements together. And then finally, for those who like it spicy, we've got a lovely peri peri. The reason I've gone with these 3 is because it kind of caters for everyone. So you've got your spicy, you've got your sticky, and you've got your classic barbecue with a twist with a little bit of garlic. Because who doesn't like keeping those vampires away? And then get the chicken, dip, 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 put it in a bag, stick it in the fridge, job done. Okay, first up, you got your honey garlic barbecue. Getting that chicken in there, getting it nicely coated all over. Now it's up to you what cut of chicken you use. You can use chicken breast. For this one, I've gone for chicken thighs because I'm going to be cooking on a barbecue, and I always find that chicken thighs, especially when you marinate them overnight, just give it that extra little bit of flavour. And as you can see there, it's all done. So what I'm going to do is stick that back in a bag, pour over the juice, and let it sit for 24 hours. There we go, there's your first one. If you really want it to be fancy, every couple of hours you could just give it a bit of a shake around just to make sure that all the chicken is coated well. Right, wash my fingers, on to the next. Next up, your sweet chili. Again, getting your chicken, popping that in the bowl, stirring it all around nicely, making sure you coat all of the chicken. This is going to be delicious. My wife loves sweet chili. I'm more spice. She's a little bit on the fence with spice. She likes sweet chili, but not too hot. So this is perfect. Coating all that nicely. And all we're doing, just like the last one, sticking it back in the bag, letting that infuse overnight. Chicken, bag. And the good thing about putting them in bags as well is you can actually just tip in all of the rest of the marinade, and that will be absolutely delicious. All right, off to wash my pinkies. On to the last one. Last, but by no means least, because this is going to be my favourite, you got your peri peri. So whacking the chicken in there, making sure you coat every last bit of it. And then stick it in a bag and it can join the others. Okay, final one now. You know the drill. Chicken, bag, pour any excess over. Tie that up. stick it in the fridge. And there we have it. Got your barbecue, your sweet chili, and your peri peri. Literally takes minutes to do. Marinate these overnight. When your people come round tomorrow, get your chicken out, get it on the barbie. Watch the impressions on their faces. They're going to love you. And I'll show you what they look like when they're cooked. Until then. Accompanying the chicken on a barbecue, I've done some veggie kebabs here with some halloumi cheese. Now these are absolutely delicious and so simple to do. And there we have the skewered chicken ready for the barbie. Ooh-wee! I'm never going to get rid of my mates. And there we have it. Well, one of them, all the others got scoffed. Too busy at the barbecue to show you everything. So I'm going to stick this on a wrap, get it eaten. So sorry guys for not showing the barbecue in action, but you know what it's like when you're hosting and you're cooking and you've got the beers flowing and everybody's screaming for more chicken. I just couldn't do it, so unfortunately this will have to do. I'm just taking my 2 forks and shredding that, and that is ready to go on my wrap. I've chosen a small soft tortilla, but you can use basically anything you want. Pita, large tortilla, and you guessed it, jalapenos make the cut. Just loading it up. You can add cheese, you can add salad, but I've just made it simple. Truth be told, I'm still a little bit worse from the barbecue. That is delicious. So good. You want to see any more delicious recipes? Have a look at this playlist. Some bangers on there. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time.